Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about free open access Scopus indexed journals in the field of engineering and technology. Kindly subscribe my channel for research related information. We are going to see about 7 journals which is all open access journals. They are not charging a subscription fee or article processing fee from the others. So first journal we are going to see about Asia Pacific Journal of Science and Technology. It is indexed by Scopus. Second journal is Engineering Science and Technology, an international journal. It is indexed by both Scopus and the Science Citation Index Expanded List. And Surinary Journal of Science and Technology, it is a Scopus indexed journal. It is in third. Fourth journal we are going to see about Communications in Science and Technology. It is indexed in the Scopus. Fifth journal is Science and Technology Studies. It is indexed in Scopus as well as SSCI, that is Social Sciences Citation Index. And sixth one is Sogolarian Journal of Science and Technology. It is indexed by Scopus. And seventh one is Valilex Journal of Science and Technology. It is also indexed by Scopus. So, dear friends, first we will see about the Asian Journal of Science and Technology, Asian Journals of Science and Technology, Asia Pacific Journal of Science and Technology. So this is the web page. So before going to that, I will tell you go to scopus.com and check the sources of this journal, Asia Pacific Journal of Science and Technology. Just copy it here. You may get the details about the journal. So, dear friends, the journal is currently indexing. This is the journal details. The publisher name is given here. Khon Kaen University Research and Technology Transfer of First Division. It is, I think, it is from Thailand. This is a source home page, and 156 documents are indexed. So, in the year 2021, 36 documents, I think 36 articles are indexed. So check this journal, see here, yes. And this is a journal, and there are no charges to submit and publish all types of articles in the Asia Pacific Journal of Science and Technology. Articles published in our journals are open access and are freely and widely available to all readers. So all details are given here, and this is archives, current issues and announcement, everything is available. It is indexed by Scopus. It is indexed by Scopus. In the website also it is given. If you want, you can also check here some papers. If you take archives, go to archives, uh, so there are yearly four issues are available. Okay, and so up to September, July, September, the issues are indexed. Issues are indexed. Okay, this is the first journal, and the second journal is Engineering Science and Technology, an international journal. Engineering Science and Technology, an international journal. It is indexed by both Scopus and SCI, Science Citation Index. Okay, this is a journal, right? If you want, if you can also check it from the Scopus source. Yes, we can click here. Okay, Engineering Science and Technology, an international journal. It is also an open access journal. It is the publisher is elsewhere, and this is a source home page. You will get it the details about the indexing of the articles. 462 documents are indexed so far, and in the 2021 alone, there were around 115 articles are indexed. So this is also an open access journal, but however, it is a subsidized open access journal where Karbach University is paying all the open access fee. So others do not have to pay any open access publication fee. So review under the responsibility of Karbach University. So though it is even a open access journals, the others would not pay any paisa to for publishing this journal. So this is elsewhere journal. Hopefully this quality and everything is very good in nature, and the abstracting details are given here. It is indexed in Science Citation Index Expanded as well as Scopus. Okay, and third journal we are going to see about Surinary Journal of Science and Technology. Surinary's Journal of Science and Technology. This is the journal. Before that, we can check it the sources from Scopus. This is the journal details. Check here. These details are available and under Scopus from 2018 to present. At present, it is indexed. It is run by Surinary University of Technology. If you click here, source homepage, it will become, and 166 documents are indexed. And for the year 2021, 13 documents are indexed so far. And see, check here, it is also indexed by Scopus. There are no charges to submit and publish all types of articles. Full articles in PDF format can be downloaded freely from the journal website. So my dear friends, it is also an open access journal, but the journal is not charging any payment for submission as well as publication. So here, uh, these are all the details related to aim, scope, editorial board, publication ethics, guidelines. Everything is available under this website. Okay, and if you take example, like if you go aims and scope, you will get the details related to the journals, and they are receiving the papers in research oriented papers, communication, short communication, review based papers. Submission details is also available. Online submission details are also available. Okay, and the screening process are also given in the website. Okay. Fourth journal is Communications in Science and Technology. Communications in Science and Technology. So, my dear friends, where we can see from the sources, Communications in Science and Technology. So, you may find it is also an open access journal. It is also in open access journals. So, 48 documents are already indexed in this journal. Check here. In 2021, we around 8 documents. This is the website of Communication Science and Technology. Once again, communications. Yes, Communications in Science and Technology website. Okay, and this journal also not receiving any article processing charges from the others. Communications in Science and Technology is an open access journal, and open access charges allow publisher to make the published material available for free to all interested online visitors. So this journal is also a Scopus indexed journal. Uh, Above, one second, I'll check here. It is a biannually abstracting and indexing in Scopus. So yearly twice, this journal is publishing the information. I mean, publishing these articles. So up to this issue, that take like fractional weighted, equal removal, and all the articles are indexed here. Check here. Okay. So this is like fractional weighted is set of equilibrium. These details is available here, right? Okay. So up to date, uh, the journal is indexing in Scopus, but only thing is that it is a biannually journal, yearly twice, and the journal is publishing the research paper. But it is an open access, purely it is a free in nature. Okay. Then we have another journals called fifth journal, Science and Technology Studies. Science and Technology Studies. So even though it is a science and technology, but this journal is indexed as well in Social Sciences Citation Index (SSCI). Both Scopus and SSCI, this journal is indexed. We will check it from the originality from the Scopus website and check from the sources. Science and Technology Studies, and this is also an open access journal. This is also an open access journal. It is run by the Finnish Society for Science and Technology Studies, and this is the uh, web page of this journal. Please check here, my dear friends. The journal is open access and is freely available anywhere in the world. The journal does not charge article processing charges. Okay, and all communications are given here. And very, very important, my dear friends, this is about the journal, aims and scopes, everything is given here. And my dear friends, Science and Technology is studies is available as an e-journal from 2022 onwards, and it is abstracting and indexing in Scopus, and we also have other uh, platform, right? Other platform. Okay, and so this is an about the journal, and all details are given. Archives, Science and Technology Studies. Check here up to this issue, Science and Technology Studies, volume number 334, number 1. Uh, the journals are indexed. Okay, check here. If you want, we can check it. 70 documents. And for the 2021, 9 Scopus articles are indexed. And see, these are all the articles. Okay, and if you want, you can also check it the previous issue, the first issue. Yes, this issue 34 and issue number 2, we will check it. Yes, this article also, this index, I mean this volume is also indexed in Scopus. User representation as a design source. User representation as a design source. Up to date, this journal is indexed in Scopus, except one issue, that is special issue, Science and Technology Studies special issue, methodography of ethnographical collaboration. This particular special issue not yet indexed so far, but up to this two, volume number 34, issue 2, the journal was indexed in Scopus. And my dear friends, we will see the sixth journal where we are going to discuss today is Songal Canadian Journal of Science and Technology. It is also indexed by Scopus. So this is a journal web page, and you can see that this is also an open access journals, but not charging any paisa for others for publishing. So all details are available in the particular website. If you want, you can also check it from the Scopus source. Yes, so this is a journal, Songal Canadian Journal of Science and Technology from 2006 to up to present. This journal is indexed in Scopus. Publisher is Prince of Songal Kala University. So we have, see, in the 2021 alone, 158 articles was indexed. And up to date, if you take example, let's check it here, online articles, current issues, improvement on of fashion, it is available. Okay. Okay, up to date, this journal is also indexed in Scopus. Process, you can also check it. Back issues, So, my dear friends, there were around six issues. There were around six issues per year. So there is a high chance to publishing your articles in this Songal Canadian Journal of Science and Technology. And next journal we are going to see about Valley Lake Journal of Science and Technology. Before going to check it from this, we will check it from Scopus source. This journal is indexed from this is also an open access. It is also indexed Scopus from 2012, and it is published by Valley Lake University. And 458 documents are indexed so far. And in the particular year 2021, already 173 articles was indexed in Scopus. And see, check here, my dear friends, no article submission charges and no article processing charges. And my dear friends, it is a semi-monthly. My dear friends, please look into that very important information. It is semi-monthly, which means every month two issues. Every 15 days, one issues will be published. So there is a high chance in publishing articles in this journal, and they are publishing in the areas of natural sciences, life sciences, applied sciences, etc. And it is also from most of the journals, two or three journals where we are discussed today are all from Thailand. Okay, this journal is also from Thailand country. So but anyway, before submission to any journal or after acceptance of articles of any journal, you can also kindly look into that data from the Scopus website and check the originality before submission. Okay, but as per my knowledge is considered, I have checked with the originality. Most of the journals are still currently indexing in the Scopus. They don't have any problem. Two or three journals are have indexed up to uh, second issue or up to third issue on the every year, but most of the journals are indexed properly. So this is a one information I just want to share it with the academic community. That's what I just prepared the video. And thank you for watching my video. If you want to get more information related to research, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching.